Work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. Hey loves, today's hair sponsor is from the company Dsoar Hair. These are some of the goodies that they had in the package, and also you guys, they sent over this beautiful, I do believe it was a 24-inch HD 5x5 closure wig unit, and I do believe it's in like the water wave texture. All right, okay y'all, so I'm about to put on this wig. I honestly don't know how I want to style it because it is, yeah, I'm trying to take this out. It is in this is this HD lace, so I know this is about to look bomb as fuck, but I just don't know how I want to style it. I might do like a side part type swoop thing, I don't know, but we about to see. I'm most likely going to wear this glueless because y'all know, like, I really been trying to give my hairline a break. Look at bald-headed Jesus. I'm gonna try to make most of these videos now like a talk through, so you guys can, I don't know, so I guess the videos could be more interactive since I do, you know, hair videos. And y'all, let me know if you guys also want me to add like my makeup a part of this tutorial, or if you guys just want it to be strictly, you know, strictly hair. But let me go ahead and put my thing on. Y'all already know what I use. And don't look at my nails, y'all, because I did them and I tried these new press-ons because I've been wearing a lot of press-ons recently, because I honestly don't see the point on letting these the people do my nails, I mean my hands. But besides that, I do still go to get like my toes done and stuff like that. But for my hands, I just really been chilling because I feel like a lot of people from like the pandemic and stuff like that started wearing press-ons, but honestly I just never got out of it because honestly the press-ons that the way that I figured out how to put them on, it just looks so natural. So I'm probably gonna stick to them, and I'm probably only going to wear like go do my nails when it's an actual, you know, an actual occasion. But I did try to do a different, you know, like press-on set from Walmart, because I do get most of mine from Walmart, but that was a mistake and I had to take them off because they was not giving what I thought they was gonna give. So I took them mofos off, okay, and I just ordered my regular fringe tip ones that I normally wear. So this is pretty snug. I'm probably gonna put it on a side angle because I think I might want to do like a little cute little flip over. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. You guys are probably gonna see how I end up doing it in the thumbnail and stuff like that, but that's how I'm liking it right now. And if y'all see me eat, I'm hungry, okay? So, and like I said, I'm probably not going to. Oh, this crab is so good. I'm most likely not going to put glue, but if you want to, you can. But honestly, it's not that necessary. So, yeah. And especially since this is like, y'all, my lace is literally gone. Like, I already knew this lace was gonna look bomb as hell, but my lace literally already disappeared. I don't know if you guys can tell. So of course I'm gonna do some baby hairs. I just don't know what type of baby hairs I want. I'm probably gonna do like one right here. Yeah, I'll be so scared of this hot comb when I do this because I always end up like burning my forehead. I'm gonna go in with my Gots to Be. Yeah, I've been meaning to try the Erica J, her products and stuff like that. Like, I really want to try it out, but it's like she's always out of stock. And yeah, I really be trying to keep my installations really like simple, because I know some people be messaging me saying like, I really learn a lot from like your installs and stuff like that. And I just want to tell y'all, it really does not take that much for you guys to, you know, like slay a wig. So I try to make sure I keep things very like simple. So if you guys do want to like, you know, install your wig, it's not like too hard, because honestly it's not that hard to install a wig and stuff like that. So I be trying to keep everything, you know, simple for y'all. Like, can y'all see? Like, and literally all I did was put on my foundation. Like, if you get the right lace and you got a little technique, like, girl, your lace is always gonna be slayed, okay? And since I don't really necessarily want a part, I'm gonna go in with my Gorilla Snot. And I see a stylist that do this, like she doesn't really use a hot comb. All she uses like Gorilla Snot and stuff. So I just want the front of this hair to just be really sleek. So that's what we're gonna do. Like, if you just a tip, if you don't have a hot comb but you want that sleek look, like I said, just get you some Gots to Be. Get some Gots to Be, and then after you do this, just go in with a what is that thing called? A blow dryer. Just go in with a blow dryer, and then it should go down like really smoothly. But okay. Like I said, I'm not really gonna part it at all, honestly. I want it to do its own thing. I do like my hair really puffy, but I still want to bring some, I don't know, like some type of structure to it. So I am gonna go in with my, spray. I'm gonna go in with my water, and I also added some conditioner in it. And with me adding the conditioner, it just kind of helps the hair stay moisturized and don't get like, if the hair does get nappy, it will make the hair not be, I guess, not as nappy. It'll just keep it moisturized if you add in some leave-in conditioner. Okay, don't be like me and just spray the whole thing on you like that. I would say go ahead and just get some get like a towel before you do that, but I don't got a towel, so. It's funny because I just told you I don't like it to be too wet, but because this texture is already like in a water wave texture, so I know how it's gonna dry up like. So clearly by the time I finish my makeup, it will be a little bit more puffy like I want it to. And then like you guys seen me do, after I brush it out, I do take it and I crunch it back up just to get the curls back flowing. And then you guys know I hate stringly ends, so I am gonna go in and just cut off not even an inch, but yeah, it's not even an inch, probably like half an inch. So I'm kind of really loving this water wave texture. I haven't gotten like a water wave texture wig in a while, so I really love the way that this came out. Now of course I'm gonna go ahead and just let it dry a little bit so it can get a little bit more body, because it is like kind of wet right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back and then show you guys, you know, the whole final look. Okay you guys, so this is kind of the final look. I just finished and did my makeup and everything. Like, I'm loving how everything looked like. And again, y'all seen how quick that I installed this freaking hair. Oh, my lip is not blended in. All right, that's besides the point. But it literally, if I was not recording this, probably would have took me 5 to 10 minutes, because like I said, this was HD. It was a 5x5 HD lace, and I do believe this was like in a natural wave or water wave texture. And I think this was a 24-inch, but I know you guys seen that I did go ahead and cut. I did cut at least like an inch or like half an inch off the ends, because I like it to be more, you know, put together and not all have strangly ends and stuff like that. But just to make it look fuller, I kind of over bleached it. And well, I didn't mean to over bleach it, but the fact that it did over bleach, which actually it made it look a little bit more natural. And I kind of did go in with the Wella toner T35 with a 20 volume developer. I probably should have recorded that and showed you guys. If you guys want me to, you know, to do that, let me know. But it basically just helps if you do over bleach your hair, and it just makes it look a little bit more natural. Again, like I said, if you guys want me to do a tutorial on that, let me know. But overall, like, this is a really beginner friendly wig. It was easy for me to install. Like, literally I did not have to use any glue. Honestly, if you guys didn't watch this video, you probably would have thought this wig is glued on my head, but little do you know, like, I can literally take this wig on and off if I want to. And that's the type of wigs I like, the wigs that you're able to, like, you know, slap on and off your head, which, like I said, I love those type of wigs. But again, thank you Dsoar Hair for sending me this unit. Everything about this unit will be in the description bar down below, and most likely they'll probably have some type of discount code so you guys can save some money on this unit if you guys are interested, or any other product that they do have on their website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like, you know, this little style and stuff. You know, I be trying to do different styles and stuff, and I kind of really like the way that this came out, even though it was so quick. It actually be the hairs that you least expected. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you loves in my next one. Bye. Work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me